This is an item I got. I had actually two items. I did another video on this already, but I bought them all kind of as one so that I could do my videos on. This is sort of a holder for, that's not good. That's coming off of here. I hope I don't need that. I guess I could replace that, not a big deal. Alright, not a good thing. The little piece came right off. Must have been damaged during delivery. But I like the idea. Sort of a setup for displaying objects overhead. I actually used this in my previous video, which is kind of, this is what I usually use. I did another video on this. I'll have the name. You can look it up under this name. And yeah, look at that. What a difference. So I'm gonna go from these. I got a bunch of these from eBay. 20 cents, 25 cents from China. And now I'm using this one because it seems to probably gonna do much better. And I can use my phone with my case. Okay, so getting back to this product. These are all the items. Everything else seems to be metal, except for that little plastic piece that broke. Okay. Doesn't seem the highest quality, that's for sure. Kind of aluminum and flimsy. So let's just measure the pipe itself. Depending on where you want to measure, about 16 inches. If you do all the way to the top here, a little more than 16 inches. With this all the way closed, I think this comes out. So that's not going to matter. This I won't be using. And these are the legs or the feet, which will let you, this would be nice even to use. I have other sort of mounts like this. Okay, go like that. So let's just quick measurements from left to right. It's the measurement wherever you want it, and then from front to back. Okay. So the idea behind this is overhead shots, so this will come out. And I guess it doesn't matter which way you put it because this is what will be going up and down. Like that. So you can do an overhead shot. So these are the feet. They're rubbery. Screw on. This is the way it looks. This will go up and down, right? If you look at this right here. And then you lock it, and it locks it into place. So, let's say I was shooting a shot and I wanted to take an iPad. Okay, I'll take my mount, my much better mount, which I'm going to be using more. Let me screw that into place here. And what this will allow me to do So now let's say I wanted to do a shot of the iPad mini. I can now set up the shot. I may need to go higher. Hold on. Still leaning too forward. So let's say I want to get an overhead shot. As you can see right there, I can work with the item overhead with nothing in the way. Pretty cool. I like it a lot. I'm going to be using it especially with small items. The height between, this is just right now what I just did because the case is pretty heavy because of the battery. And it's about 15 inches overhead shot. It's not too bad. And there's different adjustments you can make to use it. I like it. I like it a lot. The idea is awesome. I actually I'm gonna probably end up definitely using the legs, and I have some gooseneck mounts for cameras. I wonder if they'll work here well, because then with the gooseneck you can move all over the place. But this right now, I like it. It's definitely a keeper. I'm definitely keeping it. I definitely am happy with my purchase. All right, so I hope this video helps. Thank you. Bye.